Welcome to Guide Teacher Development by Guide Education. We are passionate about helping teachers to become the best educators possible through improving the education experience for everyone. How can Guide Teacher Development benefit you? Develop all staff roles from teaching assistant to head teacher using Guide's vast catalogue of best practice and gold standard university partner courses. All development courses can be completed whenever and wherever you're using our platform's unique accessibility features, greatly improving your staff well-being in the process. Enhance your staff development using focused in-video feedback provided by your teacher development team, removing the need for staff to physically attend training sessions. Utilize our rich course development features to create your own tailored content, which truly allows you to inspire and grow your own staff. Guide's team of experienced mentors are always available and on hand to alleviate the training burden on senior leaders and support your staff to achieve accreditation. Contact Guide Education today and join the thousands of teachers and schools who are using Guide Teacher Development to solve their training needs.